So anyway, I used the hammer drill to get as far down as I could. It's going off into an angle under the other property. And it's like some places they put pure concrete or either rocks, so even my big DeWalt monster was having problems. Anyway, so we got the panel in. I got some big anchors in that wall. You could stand on that thing. Anyway, so he'll have a straight 40 amp service. We'll put the new power panel on the inside. I was going to run an ohm check on that in just a couple of minutes, but you don't put the cover on until we wire it. So we have to put those connectors and the tubes down there, and we have to go down to the hardware store. We need to find some kind of junction box. Maybe we could cover it in my silicone. It takes about 2 hours to dry, and then we could just pour pure concrete in there and encase it forever. Next time they need to dig that wire up, they can take the whole column out. This is insane. Plastic flexible conduit underground, exposing the wire. I mean, there's actually concrete in the conduit there. Look at that. Look at that. Right there. There's concrete in there. When they were pouring the concrete, they just let it go inside the electrical tube. Unbelievable. Man, there's no guarantees here. No guarantees, because I don't know what's going on under there. I know I can get your power box in the house to Philippine standard, and this cutoff 40 amp instead of 32 amp, but inside, I mean, this someday it'll be a big problem.